Hello everyone, this is the Candle Trick, and let's jump into the trades that I took today. So you could actually see I took quite a few trades over here. One, two, three, I guess four or five trades. So I could not trade properly today. I had some work. So let's close the trade history over here and only look at this screen. For those who are new to the channel, I'm basically documenting my journey from not a profitable trader to a profitable trader. So if you join me, you could also learn lots of stuff, okay, as I'm learning. So this is in this episode or today actually, let's review what kind of trades I took and what was the logic behind it. The first trade I took was at this point, and which was again quite late in the day. As you can see, the New York session, I guess, when did it start exactly? I have no idea how this MT5 thing works. And yeah, one more thing, this is not a live account, this is a demo account. I'm practicing on this, but believe me, my heart literally starts pumping when the trade is in loss. Like last week, I was losing a lot, last few days. So yeah, I was pretty tensed about that, even though it is a demo account, because whatever I'm doing over here is a replica or is something that I am supposed to do on a real account, right? So whatever I do over here, like has consequences on me. So yeah, that's why. Yeah, let's go into the trade. And as you can see, I saw, okay, it's a very good uptrend. All of the new highs are formed over here. So as this was getting up again, I jumped in. It was a very good trade actually, but the thing was, again, I was very stupid with the stop loss, and this might look very small over here. That's why this ATR is below, so that you can see how big this candle is. Each bar actually shows that how big the candle is. Suppose this one is what, 1.36. So this particular bar was 1.36. That is 13 points. That is a lot, right? And if you see, the volatility over here is more than like around one. Average is one basically. So all of these candles are 10 points big and small. And if you have watched a few videos, like previous few videos, you know that my preferable spot for a stop loss is 1 point. That and 1 point means basically like 10 over here. I'm pretty confused in what is going on. You might be thinking I don't know anything, but basic thing is 1 point on this scale, that is 33 to 34, that they call 1 point. Or and in that there's $10 of profit basically. So I trade with 0 0.1 lots. So in that way I calculate. I exactly don't know, like you might be thinking it is totally messed up, but I understand what's going on. It is basically 0 0.1, and when I take a trade, 1 point on this chart corresponds to $10 over here. So my profit, my stop loss is basically around 10, 11, 12. So as you can see, this one was around again 12, right? I was just showing right now. How does it show? Yeah, minus 12. You can see SL profit minus 12. So it was minus 12. So it was quite a big stop loss. But as you can see, just touched the stop loss and yeah, left off without me. Okay, so even if you see from here to here, you can actually see the high of this candle. The high of this candle is 132.28. You can look at over here. When I put my cursor over here, you can see high, low, and everything. I don't know if this is being seen in the screen or not, but anyways, if you can see that, I am reading it from there. Just know it. So it is what is that? 132.28. Let's go 132.3. And this high was 134.96. So which is basically 25 points. Yeah, this might not look pretty good. I'm pretty big, but this is 25 points away. Very good trade. And actually, all the trades I took today were very good at very good spot, even though it looked very choppy before it. But I entered in a good place. It went like stop loss. I was again not so happy with it because my account was, if you remember, yesterday it was one like three over here. I will just tell this number at the end. I'll not tell the whole thing. It was three, and yeah, it went to 90 again. So yeah, I was again pretty scared. And after that, I entered over here, which look pretty good. Like again, what I was seeing is this thing. Let me show you what I was seeing. It is, there are very big candles over here. So let me again zoom out a bit. Okay, I guess I zoomed out a lot, but anyways, let's go to the point where I was just talking right now. So, oh, where did it go? 29. in 9, it was around 13 or 15, right? So let us go over there. So 13, so it was around 15. Okay, let's look over here. Yeah, over here. So this one, and then I entered over here. It was a pretty good spot again, because as I entered, it was again going in my direction, which as I told you, what I was saying is this pretty good uptrend, and I entered just at the break of this. So yeah, it was going pretty good, pretty good. But the thing was, I again had to go out for this trade. So I had to set a profit target. So my profit target was, I can, if I can show you over here. Let me again zoom out, or I just zoomed out a lot. I don't know if there is a key control button which I can use. Oh, it is control plus control minus. So let's use that for a smoother experience. So my profit target was just over somewhere around over here. So I was again pretty unlucky, because when I came back, I saw it was falling. So I booked whatever it was as soon as possible, which was around $14. So my account was just $1 up. Okay, pretty good. So it was a very deep correction, because again after that it was choppy for a while, and again it started moving upwards. So I entered over here, and as I entered, yeah, this trade was not a good trade, I would say, because on this trade you can see, as I entered, it again started falling in my like opposite side of the direction that I was on. So this one was +9, and the other one was -5. So only +4 could happen. That's why from 103 it is around 105. So because after this trade I was almost break even. You can see the trade history over here. Yeah, so okay, it is a lot of trade history. So let's actually filter it out. So custom in today only. Okay. So the trades for today sorted according to, yeah, the latest to last trades. Latest was yeah, 5 loss. The first trade was -12, then it was 14, then 9, then again -5. So overall I made 5.6. You might have read the thumbnail, it is only 5, I guess. So yeah, that is it. And I was thinking to enter again, but I had to make this video and sleep. That's why I'll just say let's make the video. I can again trade next day. We have to do a video about that. So let's actually have a bit of outlook. What can we expect? But I don't literally care about what the whole market is doing, because as you know, for me it is just a few like 20-30 candles, that is half an hour or 1 hour before what when I'm entering the trade. I don't look at the whole thing. This side is just to give me some sort of like overall trend. As you can see for the day, I don't know, this was I guess London session, it was totally down. And after that in New York session, somewhere around over here when the volume started coming in, this I guess around here, it was pretty like good uptrend. If I was over here, I would have entered multiple times, because it was pretty good uptrend. It was not moving a lot, but that's the way it is. So let's switch one of these charts. Let's switch this chart to a bit longer time frame, that is 30 minutes. Not much of a difference. Let's go to 4 hours actually. Yeah, here we can see some stuff. So it was pretty good downtrend over here, and it is at these places where if you have visited my channel, you might have seen I have made like 46, 47, 46, I guess, dollars of profit, and I was about like reached 100. 100 means like 10,100 on this account, demo account. But after that, this went a bit choppy in the 4 hours, but I don't care about that. I was just trading recklessly during these times. Anyways, so now it is breaking up quite nicely. So if you go on a daily candle, daily trade, let me just close all the trades on this one. So all trade history closed. And yeah, it is actually, it was down, up, down. It might be a very good correction actually. It might start falling anytime soon, because I don't know exactly when, but it can be a very deep sort of correction. Yeah. So that is the outlook, and that is it for today. Let's come back to our trading time frame. We don't care about all that stuff. So yeah, this is it. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and wish me a good day tomorrow.